if you guys would, go ahead and turn to the appropriate page in your spile to take your notes today. I want you guys to start off by looking at this bar graph in front of you. If you would, go ahead and take a moment to do an OIT based upon the information in front of you. Remember, 3 observations, 2 inferences with evidence, and 1 conclusion. After you have completed the OIT, I want you to go ahead and answer this question. What factor best explains the increase in Texas population over time? Alright, make sure that you add the title of your page, Urbanization C-Notes, because here we go. Urbanization. Urbanization refers to the process of an area becoming a city. So when we talk about urbanization, we're talking about the development of cities over time. Prior to 1900, Texas was a state with mainly rural areas that were a lot like large farms, lots of grass, few people living within the state. However, this began to change after 1900. Texas began to be a state of multiple cities, areas with large populations. So, before 1900, Texas was primarily an agricultural state. After 1900, Texas was primarily an urban state. Quickly, what factors helped Texas go from a rural to an urban state? Go ahead and think about that and record your answers. There are a number of factors that led to the urbanization of Texas and a number of causes. We're going to take a moment to look at a few of those. The first one would be advancements in technology. For example, the railroad played a huge role in the development of Texas and the urbanization of Texas. Other inventions included the cotton gin, the steel plow, and the oil derrick. With advanced technology came an increased industries. We've done a big study of those. You've got oil industry, you've got the cotton industry, the railroad industry, as well as the cattle industry that helped lead to the development and the urbanization of Texas. And finally, the last factor that led to the urbanization of Texas was the increase in population and the increase of people throughout the state. Because of the urbanization of Texas, there were a number of effects. First of all, Texas saw an increase in the total population of cities. The population within cities will grow tremendously because of the urbanization of Texas. New industries emerged throughout the state. Technology, medicine, manufacturing, which is the creation of goods and products, and transportation, such as the railroad, car, and airplane. And because of these new technologies and increase in population and new industries throughout the state, jobs began to change in Texas. Before the urbanization of Texas, people primarily worked as farmers and in agricultural areas. After the urbanization of Texas, these jobs changed. People began working in manufacturing, began working with technology and service. So because of the urbanization of Texas, jobs began to change from farming to manufacturing, technology, and service. So, based upon your notes today and the presentation in front of you, here's what I'd like you to do for your summary. Go ahead and do the following. Urbanization is like a blank because blank, but not like a blank because blank. Go ahead and create your analogies in your summary and then your 2 questions. Be prepared to discuss urbanization tomorrow when you come in class. Thank you very much. Have a great night.